Hello everyone, this is Rashmi Sinha and welcome to my channel once again. And here I am back with my one more educational channel. As you can see the screen, Windows 7. So this video is actually made for Windows 7 and its features and many more. So let us start. What is Windows 7? For this we'll reach to the chapter that is GUI operating system, desktop management. For this word GUI, as already I discussed in my previous videos, few more videos already shooted on it, and I will definitely put the link in my description box for that particular video where the GUI and CUI is discussed. So GUI means graphical user interface operating system. When we talk about Windows 7, which is a very interesting Windows version, and before that there are many more versions already launched in the field of Windows, but I am showing you today the Windows version, very attractive and interactive. So let us talk about what is Windows. Windows 7, a graphical user interface operating system which consists various buttons and icons. As you can see the screen of Windows 7, it consists a number of buttons and icons which makes user easy to work. OS is shortcut of operating system. OS is an interface between hardware and user. Connects means interface means which linked two things. So hardware and user can be linked by the help of operating system. It makes PC means personal computer alive and helps to run different application in it. So Windows 7 is a graphical user interface operating system which consists number of buttons and icons. Not only this, operating system is an interface between hardware and user, and it makes PC alive and helps to run different applications. Now we'll discuss about the features of Windows 7. As you can see the screen of Windows 7, it is very attractive and contains a number of icons in it. And not only icons but also some of the options over here. You can see these are the options and these are the icons which displays already on the screen. This is very attractive screen where you can see the games icons and some more icons, wallpapers, screensaver, desktop features. So this is a very attractive. So the first feature of Windows 7 is it is very attractive. Interactive means which you can easily understand, or the screen makes you give a proper information about anything. The searching of anything in this screen is very easy. You have to only use a single click to search anything. Flexible means which is easily adapt your way which you want. If you want more icons on the screen, that will be there. If you want less, that can be done. So it is very flexible. According to you, it will change. We can pin favorite programs on the taskbar. What does the meaning of pin favorite programs? Suppose you like games, or you like wallpapers, or you like some music, or you like any video. These are your favorite 4 programs. So that will be easily kept on screen. So we call them, we can pin favorite programs on the taskbar without any disturbance. Multitasker means anything which can do many tasks or many work at a time. So multitasker means it can do many tasks at a time. So we discussed 2 questions, you can say. Please write down along with me. If you get any kind of problem, please mention in my comment box that I can help you. So we discussed about till now what is Windows 7, what is GUI. Then we discussed some features which is the common feature in all the Windows screens we can get. But there are some interesting features which actually you never ever experienced. So I'm going to discuss that 2 features. Look at this screen, children. This screen will show you many arrows that we call actually in language of Windows jump list. Jump list, the name already explains the meaning. It's a new feature which we get in the screen of Windows 7. New feature which can take straight to the document. Straight to the document, I'm just explaining you. Just you first look what is written on the whiteboard. Pictures, song, or any website. For this option, we have to right click on a program button. So jump list is a very new feature which only we get in the screen of Windows 7, which is a new feature and it takes straight to the document or picture or song or any website. For this option, we have to simply click right and we'll reach to the program button. As I'm showing you from this screen, you can see minutely the screen. If you wish to reach to any of the program, it will straightly, you have to just keep it on it in a taskbar. This is a taskbar we'll come to discuss later. This is the taskbar and these arrows are showing different programs. So this is simply showing the programs. So when you see the Windows 7 screen, there is a taskbar. Taskbar stays down a horizontal line on the bottom of the screen. We call it taskbar. This taskbar, these arrows are showing that these programs are already open. Like this screen is open, this screen is open, this calendar is open, this clock is open, and many more things are open. So this screen shows you that these programs are already kept on the taskbar. So what jump list does, these programs always kept on a taskbar and whenever you want them, you have to only click once and you will get it on the screen to function. Now, the another feature which also we get only in the Windows 7 screen, that is cascading windows. And what does this mean? If we right click on taskbar, the option comes. If we right click on the taskbar, the option comes. Which option? The cascading window option will come. What it does, it arrange all the open or running windows. Means its task is to arrange, suppose you in this screen, suppose I have opened first this screen and then second screen and then third screen. Now I would like to list in 1, 2, 3. This will be done by help of cascading. Wait. For example, this is a start button screen. When you click on the taskbar and start button, what do you actually experience? You experience these options comes on the screen. These are the option and you will find always these option in the same serial. The serial is always same. Who is keeping this serial? This cascading window option helps us to keep this all the options in serial, and this serial options will help in always when we wanna go to the particular document or a picture or a video or anything. So hope you all get it. Today I have covered this much content about GUI operating system, desktop management. If you like my videos, please do share, subscribe and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos of the same lesson, which you will get by the notification when you press the bell icon. And I'm showing you this whiteboard to make sure that you understood everything and note it down, because once you note down, or suppose you don't understand meaning of any word or any term, please mention in my comment box that I can help you, and I will definitely put some of the videos of GUI which will explain you more in my description box to help you. And once again, I'm showing you one more thing about Windows 7. The Windows 7 screen, you can personalize also your desktop, which makes the Windows screen more attractive. Not only this, you may see that how HD pictures or interesting options or flexible screens or multiple screens on a same desktop, you can find this icons also. These icons also helps to reach to the screen so fast. So these are the very great option about this Windows 7. Hope you get it. If you have any query, please mention down. So stay safe home. Take care. Bye bye.